Hello everyone. Today we will understand about the TCL commands. So the full form of the TCL command is Transaction Control Language Command. In the transaction control language command gives us control for the transactions, right? So whenever we are putting any value in the database, we are saving the value in the database, it gives us control. Like give me your situation. Like suppose we have to insert a value into employee table, right? We have an employee table and we have to insert the values, right? So we will insert like this, like we have to give like in the values format, like we have the employee ID, we have the name, we have the department, and we have the city, right? And suppose we have 200 rows or more than the 200 employees, which data we have to insert in the database, right? Now, after inserting 200 values, right, of the employees, we got to know that somehow till 40 data, everything is correct, right? Later, everything is wrong. Or till 140 rows is everything is correct, and after that everything is wrong whatever we have entered. So in that case, what we will do, right? So in that case, TCL commands help us. So what we have to do while inserting the data, we have to make so many save points, right, in between. Like we can make here save point A, we can make save point B, right? In between we make multiple save points. So in that case, whenever we want to delete something, like suppose we have to reach till 40 rows, right? So maybe our save point is not exact at 40 rows, but it will be nearby, right? So what we can do in that case, we can roll back, to save point A, right? So when you reach to the save point A, everything will be deleted after this, right? After 40 rows or whatever, wherever we have the save point. Like suppose we have at the 50 rows, right? So after 50 rows, everything will be deleted. Directly, we cannot delete lots of data from the table because we have truncate and we have the delete option. So in truncate, we delete complete data. Suppose you have to delete with the truncate, so 200 rows will be deleted with the help of the truncate. And if you go for the delete command, it will delete by particular rows, right? You cannot delete together so much data, right? So in that case, TCL commands help us to delete a bulk amount of data. Thank you.
I hope you guys have learned something valuable from this video. Please do like, subscribe and share this channel. You can also contact us for the paid training. You can also comment interested if you want the more video like this.